Hi students, this is Guneswar Kalita. Welcome you to the YouTube channel Guneswar Kalita tutorial. Students, first of all I appeal you to watch the video completely. Then students, I appeal once more to subscribe my channel if not subscribed. Students, after watching the video, I also appeal you to share my videos if you like watching the videos. Students, today I am going to discuss English grammar degrees of comparison part 2. So students, some more adjectives in 3 degrees are given below. So positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree bold, comparative degree bolder, superlative degree boldest. Positive degree dark, comparative degree darker, superlative degree darkest. Positive degree deep, comparative degree deeper, superlative degree deepest. Positive degree noble, comparative degree nobler, superlative degree noblest. Positive degree small, comparative degree smaller, superlative degree smallest. Positive degree hot, comparative degree hotter, superlative degree hottest. Positive degree fat, comparative degree fatter, superlative degree fattest. Positive degree mad, comparative degree madder, superlative degree maddest. Positive degree slim, comparative degree slimmer, superlative degree slimmest. Positive degree wet, comparative degree wetter, superlative degree wettest. Next, positive degree dry, comparative degree drier, superlative degree driest. Positive degree jolly, comparative degree jollier, superlative degree jolliest. Positive degree merry, comparative degree merrier, superlative degree merriest. Positive degree brilliant, comparative degree more brilliant, superlative degree most brilliant. Positive degree charming, comparative degree more charming, superlative degree most charming. Positive degree diligent, comparative degree more diligent, superlative degree most diligent. Positive degree for, for, comparative degree former, superlative degree foremost. Positive degree out, comparative degree outer, superlative degree outermost. Students, these are also some more example given using ER, EST in comparative and superlative degree, IER, IEST in comparative and superlative degree, more and most in comparative and superlative degree. Now students, uses of adjectives in different degrees. Number 1, Kartik is a good boy. Positive degree. So students, these are some examples. This is the example of positive degree. Kartik is a good boy. The adjective good is here in positive degree. So if we turn it into comparative degree, the answer will be like this. Amal is better than Kartik. Comparative degree. Comparative degree better than is used. Than is used here. And ER is added to the adjective. Good, better. So better is the comparative degree. Than is also used here. Next, if we convert it into superlative degree, this will be like this. Nayan is the best boy. We may write also Kartik is the best boy. Next, number 2, Guwahati is a big city, positive degree, or the positive degree may be in this way. We may write positive degree in this way also. No other city is as big as Guwahati. So students, these 2 examples with the same meaning. So you may write either this one or this one. In the exam also, any one of these may give as the question, and you are to convert maybe either in comparative degree or in superlative degree. So students, first comparative degree is given. Delhi is bigger than Guwahati. Comparative degree. Or we may write also Jorhat is not bigger than Guwahati. Next students, in superlative degree, so here bigger is given, bigger than. Next, Guwahati is the biggest city in Assam. Biggest. big, bigger, biggest, the biggest. So it is used in superlative degree. Next students, number 3, no other boy is as tall as Abhishek, positive degree. So if we convert it into comparative degree, this will be Abhishek is taller than any other boy. Maybe in the class we may add also, we may not add also, Abhishek is taller than any other boy, full stop. We may add this one or may not add this one. So it is comparative degree. In shortcut, QMP given, but you will write comparative degree. Next students, in superlative degree, Abhishek is the tallest boy. Abhishek is the tallest boy, full stop. You may add also in the class. Next students, number 4, this is an interesting story, positive degree. The positive degree may be also in this way. No other story is as interesting as this one. As interesting as, so interesting, it's in positive degree. Then the comparative degree will be, this story is more interesting than any other story. More than is used here. In comparative degree, shortcut C given. Next, in superlative degree, as given here, this is the most interesting story. Most is given here. More is given in comparative degree, more than, and interesting as it is written in positive degree. In for both these sentences, interesting is written as it was. Next, in superlative degree, this is the most interesting story. Next students, number 5, Sahil is the most active boy in the class. It's superlative degree given. If it is given in this way, we will transfer it into positive degree in this way. 2 ways are given here. You may write either one, either this one or that one. So first one, I am telling, no other boy in the class is as active as Sahil. So active as it was. The original adjective is given as, and as is given before and after active. No other boy in the class is as active as Sahil, positive degree. Or we may write in this way also, or given, Sahil is an active boy in the class. Active as it was in the first form. Next, Sahil is more active than any other boy in the class. This is comparative degree. And this is positive degree given, this is comparative degree. Now students, some previous years HSLC questions discussed. Number 1, Atul is stronger than Hari. 1997 repeaters exam, it was given. So the question is like this. First, the sentence is given. Then the question is like this. Use positive degree. So the answer is, Atul is a strong boy. You may write this answer. You may write in this way also. No other boy is as strong as Atul. Next students, number 2, he is the best boy in the class. Rewrite the sentence using the positive degree of the best. The question given in this way in HSLC exam 1991, repeat 1994 and repeat 1996. So students, the answer is, he is a good boy in the class. Positive. Or no other boy in the class is as good as he. Within bracket you may write is also. You may not write also. This is not the matter. So the answer is, no other boy in the class is as good as he. Or he is a good boy in the class. Next students, number 3. No other boy in our class is as intelligent as he. This time this is the question given. So the question is given here. Use the superlative degree. So we have to transfer this sentence into superlative degree. HSLC exam 1993, this question was given. So students, the answer is, he is the most intelligent boy in our class. Now students, number 4, he is the tallest boy in the class. The question is like this. Rewrite the sentence using the positive degree of tallest. HSLC exam 1999 given. So the answer is, we have to write the positive degree. Only one answer is given. No other boy in the class is as tall as he. You may write is also. You may add is also. You may not add also. May not add is also. Now students, number 5. Gold is the brightest of all metals. Gold is the brightest of all metals. The question is use positive degree. HSLC exam 1996 repeaters. This question is given. So students, the answer is no other metal is as bright as gold. This is the positive form. No other metal is as bright as gold. You may write in this way also. Gold is a bright metal. You may write the answer. Gold is a bright metal. Now students, number 6. Silver is not as valuable as gold. So question is use comparative degree. HSLC exam 1998 repeaters. This question is given. So students, the answer is gold is more valuable than silver. So students, I once more appeal you to watch the video till the end. And students, I also appeal you to comment on my video so that I can develop the quality of my video. Thank you.